Welcome to SketchList 3D. This video explains the structure of a SketchList 3D project and how to locate and size objects. The project is the overall container of your design's objects. The required information is the project name and size. If you are working with metric materials, you should add them to the materials database. The project holds all the parts of your design. Only assemblies can be inserted into projects. The purpose of assemblies is to group the contents into one object, save, resize, copy, and relocate an assembly in one step, which is a great time saver. Another reason to use containers is that they allow the breakdown of complex projects into manageable chunks. Subassemblies, called doors and drawers, are inserted into the assemblies. They provide the same functions and benefits. Finally, boards are placed into assemblies, doors, and drawers to complete your design. All locations show the distance from the edges of the object to the front, back, and left of its container. In the case shown, the left edge is 10 inches from the container's left and the right is 30. Subtract 10 from 30 to get a board width of 20. Each corner has a different set of location values. Right-click a blue dot to see them. The corner value of the assembly is 0, 0, 0. The right corner values are 0, 6, 0, 0. The calculator shows 0 for the bottom value and 50 for the top, so 50 is the height size. To use the calculator to change the size, change the middle text box and click the green button to the left or right to make the change. To use the calculator to change the location, change the text box to the left or the right on the form, clicking the corresponding button or that row moves the object. You can also change the location by right-clicking the blue button at any corner and entering the new value for location. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the structure of a SketchList 3D project and the tools to create one. Learn more and sign up for a free trial at www.sketchlist.com.